There is no need to plug in this HUD cable after the HUD is installed. You have to go to the back first to add ink. We have 5 colors, corresponding to yellow, magenta, cyan, black, and white. Inject ink into this ink bottle. Fill the ink level to 2/3 of the ink bottle. Close the lid. Remember to press this liquid level alarm switch after injecting all inks. This is a negative pressure system. First, turn off the power of the negative voltage system. Place stainless steel under the HUD. Then power on the printer. You can adjust the circulating pressure first. Adjust to 6.5. Now look the surface of the HUD. When ink drips and there are no bubbles, that means the ink supply is complete. After ink drips down, we need power off the printer. Then plug in the negative pressure control cable. Then power on. Then set the negative pressure first. Enter F1 and press the set button to adjust the negative pressure. (3.7, 3.6 are young). Then set the upper cycle pressure. Set to 5.5 and exit. Then long press the S1 key. Press S again. This is the displayed ink cartridge temperature. Set the cartridge temperature to 51 degrees. Exit and then we wait for the cartridge temperature to rise. Now the ink cartridge temperature has reached the set temperature. At this time, observe the surface of the HUD. See if there's any ink on the surface. If so, increase the negative pressure by 0.1. This negative pressure can only be adjusted by a maximum of 0.1 each time. Not too much. Then you can also long press S1. Switch back to circulation pressure. Adjust the circulating pressure upward. The circulating pressure must be more than the negative pressure. The difference is between 1.5 and 2. Just looking at the surface of the head, knowing accumulation means negative pressure is correct. After the inking is completed, there is no ink accumulation on the surface of the nozzle. Power off. Open the cable protective film at this time. Nozzle data cable. The wide mouth corresponds to the wide mouth of the nozzle. Gently insert the nozzle. Insert the corresponding board at the other end. Cable wide mouth facing out. Plug it in. That's it.